welcome back to my channel. Today we will be solving problem 570 of Leetcode, which is managers with at least 5 direct reports. Let's go through the question first. Here we can see that they have provided us with a table named employee, which has got 4 columns: ID, name, department, and manager ID. ID is the primary key for this table. Each row of this table indicates the name of an employee, their department, and ID of the manager. If manager ID is null, then the employee does not have a manager. Also, no employee will be the manager of themselves. So now they have told us to write a solution to find managers with at least 5 direct reports. They have told us to return the result table in any order. That means they have not requested any specific ordering. And they have also provided us with the result format, which is here. This is the input table, and this is the output table they want. Okay, great. So let's get started with the code. Here, first things first, let's select the column we would like to output. So in this case, it will be name. Now, in order to solve this problem, I was thinking of using two tables and joining them using left join. On the ID column, the ID column of the first table and the manager ID column of the second table. Yeah, so and then I'll be grouping the rows using the ID column of the first table. So yeah, let's see whether this works or not. Now we will be inputting our tables. So from so the two tables, the first one, employee as, so we'll be calling the first table as A, and we'll be joining it with the second table using left join. Okay, so we'll be using the same table, employee. This time we'll name it as B. Great. Now these two tables will be joined on the manager ID column of the second table. Manager ID equals to and ID column of the first table. That means A dot ID. Great. Now we'll also have to group the rows on the ID column of the first table. So A dot ID. Great. So they have also provided us with a condition that means we'll have to find managers with at least 5 direct reports. That means over here we'll have to find managers who have got 5 employees beneath them. So having count A dot ID greater than or equal to 5. Great. Okay, so a side note, we've used having over here instead of where, since count is a aggregate function. Okay, so my code looks good to me so far. Let's run it and see whether this works or not. Oh, okay. So I forgot to mention, since we are joining two tables, we'll also have to change our first line. So we are taking the name from the first table. That means A dot name. Okay, so it should work now. Awesome. So let's try submitting it. Great. Okay, so as you can see, my solution was accepted, and yeah, that's how you solve this question. This is also a question that is easy. It should be easy, although it's on the medium category of Leetcode. Once you are able to figure out the question, this won't be so difficult for you to solve. Okay, so that's all for this video. I hope you enjoyed it and you could understand what I tried to um, tell you. And if you'd like to watch more contents like this, please subscribe to my channel and also hit the like button if you like this video. And I'll see you next time. Bye bye.